Heidi ho, Wambar Club. Long time no see. I wasn't lazy, so here I did a lot of stuff without making a video.
Shame, shame, shame.
I was not in the mood for making videos. So I'll just show you what I did without showing you how it's done.
Shame.
First off, I redecorated my entrance. See, there's color. Yeah, let me show you.
Pirate flag. The door is painted.
The walls are painted. Golden heater. Electricity has its price.
The print room. Print and stink.
The heart of the club.
The office.
Has its price.
The second thing I'm working on is a community.
Community.
A local gamers community. We meet here in my place
Club.
every Thursday. We're about 6 regulars now. Once a week playing Star Wars Legion, Grimdark Future, stuff like that. Yeah, on this table, and sometimes also in the other room in the bureau office. There's another table there. Yeah, and that's going. It's coming along. The community, the active playing community, is coming along. I like. Yeah, and this is Pirate Bay, my big baby. It's like a model railroader's layout without a railroad. Pirate themed, and there's a lot of work in progress. Here's a sunken city. Need to glue it in, work it in. It's just laying there for testing. MDF kits, pimped. So here is a mountain with walkways carved in caves where there will be houses. A lot of walkways. The houses will look like this. So you see, there's a lot happening. A lot of thinking, and I want to try to. So I changed my progress of working. I'm working at small areas now. Right now, before it was all big. Now I have to focus just on one little thing, and then it grows organically from there. So I just work on the gatehouse right now, and everything that's coming later has to work around the gatehouse thing. That's totally fine. I don't make a big plan before anymore. The big plan was the background and all this stuff. So, and here is my empty canvas. There's a little bit stuff already on the canvas. So this is the canvas, and I'm adding and adding stuff now. Yeah. This is a graveyard. Also still test fitting, not implemented. In the background is the tavern. Yeah, and while I was editing, I was also painting. A small harbor scene. And the latest project is also world building, but it's not on the layout. It's a booklet. I had some ideas for a mermaid tribe, some kind of faction for role-playing games. They live in the ocean, of course, and I described how they live with a social hierarchy, important persons, what they eat, what they do, stuff like that. Some random encounter tables, some 5e stat blocks, and yeah, it became something. Not enough for a real book, but not enough just for one or two pages. So I did some illustrations to spice it up. It's pencil with watercolor, handmade, and I put it together in a book, in a booklet. It's like a magazine style, hard paper. This is a test print. You can see the test print banner, but I wanted to see how it looks like when it's printed. So yeah, I'm kickstarting this. Friday, June 7th, the Kickstarter goes live. It's called Coral Kingdom. Link will be in the description below. Go check it out. The book is done. The PDF is ready for printing. The test print is done. I just want to collect some money to print it and to get it out there to you. I already have it. Yeah, I'm proud of it. It's cool. I like it. I like the illustrations. I like the content. Look at the turtle. Go check it out. Maybe back it. Maybe just share the link. That would be awesome. Coral Kingdom Mermaid faction. Let's print it. See ya.